If your Epic Games launcher is showing error code IS-0009, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to launching your games as fast as possible. This error is often caused by a temporary launcher issue, a weak internet connection, a VPN problem, or even a corrupted game file. So we're going to start with the simplest fixes first and move through the most effective ones. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Close the launcher fully, not just the window, and if needed, use Task Manager to make sure it's no longer running in the background. After that, restart your PC. A full restart clears temporary glitches and can fix a lot of launcher errors instantly. Once your computer is back on, open the Epic Games launcher again and check whether the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and that your connection is working properly. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, try switching to another network, restarting your router, or using a wired connection if possible. Launcher errors like IS-0009 can happen when Epic can't properly communicate with its servers, so a stable connection is very important. After that, turn off your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games services and cause authentication or connection-related errors. If your VPN is active, disconnect it completely, then relaunch Epic Games Launcher and try again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. Now, if you're still seeing the error, the next step is to verify your game files. Open your Epic Games library, find the game that is giving you the issue, click the three dots next to it, and choose Verify. This tells Epic to scan your installed files and replace anything that is missing or damaged. Depending on the size of the game, this process may take a few minutes, so let it finish fully before opening the game again. Once verification is complete, try launching the game one more time. If everything is working, the error should now be gone. These 4 steps are the main fixes for Epic Games Launcher error code IS-0009, and in most cases, one of them will solve the issue. To recap, restart the launcher and your PC, check your internet connection, disable your VPN, and verify your game files through the library. If you followed each step carefully, you should be back in the game without the error blocking you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.